東京
This trip probably was the fact that I made so many good friends here, and Fuji-Q, that was really fun.
I really liked visiting the high school students just because it helped me understand Japanese high school culture, and it kind of gave me a look into like real Japanese lives.
The best thing about the trip, I think it was going to onsen, and I got to wear the yukata, and it was really fun.
The best thing of my trip in Japan was meeting the students at Sagamihara High School, because it was fun to get to know people my own age in a different country.
Personally, my favorite area I went to was Akihabara and also Fuji-Q Highland Amusement Park.
の100円ショップ
Yes, my Japanese has improved.
これはガラスの立方体です。
So I think I'm better at formal speaking and writing.
最初は顔を見て
I think my Japanese has improved a little bit, but considering that I didn't know any Japanese before coming here, I would definitely have to say yes.